AIlovepEACE isn't just a splurge, it's a smart buy compared to regular plastic containers. Upon opening this package, I love how fantastically designed the product comes and look how cute and authentic the messaging is. My initial thought was that it comes with two different, both beautifully designed lids, one silicone and the other non, and available in 3 different colors. I honestly love the vibrant red. It's made from premium borosilicate glass, which means it can handle heat, cold, and the occasional clumsy drops. No cracks, no dents, and definitely no shattering of glass. This container also features a press and seal vented silicone lid that is 100% leak proof. After washing and drying the container, I'm heating up my leftovers for dinner and decide to test how fast the food heats up in this container. I set it for 35 seconds and look how fast it heated up. The food comes out evenly heated without any clumps in my rice, which is so awesome. The quality of this product is outstanding, and I really love the look of the amberish glass. It's easy to clean and doesn't leave stains like some other Tupperware does. The best part is that after you use it, you can just toss it in the dishwasher, as both the container and the lids are dishwasher friendly. It's even freezer safe, so I'm definitely using this for quick meal preps for both me and my family. It comes with a salad sauce container and a little fork, so it's super convenient for me to just grab and go for work lunches. I cannot wait to use this container for soups, pastas, and just general meal prep for my 2 kids. So, if you want a durable, budget-friendly, and crazy convenient lunch solution, grab the AIlovepEACE glass container and see for yourself. This has been a game changer for me, and I hope this is a game changer for you as well.